If you are already an accountant, you want to use that leverage and go direct to consumer and start, like, as you're getting your CPA, start educating. Like, I know a couple of CPAs who are questioning on social media, who are doing numbers, million, because they're going direct to consumer, educating the audience, right? And they don't have to rely on an accounting firm. You become your own individual and you could build your own thing from there. So that's the way you don't let AI replace you. You let AI replace you if you go work for an accounting firm and that's all you got going on for yourself. Then for sure AI is going to replace you, because the accounting firm head is just going to replace you guys with AI. But if you become a brand that people know, like, and trust, they come to you to do their accounting. I'm worried about the process because I want to post 6 times a day, 3 stories. I just want to know how to market it correctly. Why do you want to do all these things without any guidance though? I'm worried about the process because I want to post 6 times a day. Who in the world told you had to post 6 times a day? And why do you think that you posting 6 times a day is what you should do? I'm willing to do whatever it takes. I want to do it correctly. That's a good mindset. So do you want to do it yourself or you want us to do it for you? Because even if we're doing it for you, you should not be posting 6 times a day. That doesn't make any sense. For what? You got to build the brand, let it compound, increase your capacity, and then you could post more. You haven't even proven anything. You just want to go spam the algorithm.